Hello, this is Paul from G-Shock, and in today's episode of New Watch Day, we have a rather special limited edition G-Shock GA-2100MNG. I've wanted one of these for a while. They went on sale on the G-Shock website a while ago and immediately made their way to Facebook and eBay for twice and 3 times the price, and principally I just couldn't stomach the cost. So yesterday on one of the G-Shock groups, G-Shock Addiction, A Day in the Life, fantastic group by the way, big shout out to those guys, lovely community of G-Shock lovers, be sure to join if you haven't already. Anyway, one of the members posted they had a mint manga edition in blue. They were looking to sell, hadn't had much success on the Facebook marketplace, and they were looking for £150, seemed like a bargain. The pictures all look legit, so I took the plunge and it's turned up today. I'm aiming to have these videos for the unboxings to be under 5 minutes, so let's jump straight in and have a look at what we've got. So the outer box looks like it's made from a recycled cardboard, which is a nice touch, but nothing particularly exciting. A little bit of a comic book styling down here, but nothing to write home about. Inside we have the inner box, which is much more interesting and visually appealing with lots of comic book stylings. And on the back we have this Japanese writing, I believe says kapow, kaboom, one of those. Let me know in the comments if you guys know. And inside we have all the usual, oh nice touch, a couple of free Moam. I'll be sure to share these out with you guys. I'm sure we're only going to get 2 views, so there'll be enough to go around. I think I'm going to steal that idea for when I'm selling my watches. So we've got the usual bump that I'm never going to read, but I keep, and I always keep my boxes. It helps with the resale value if I do choose to sell them on. So let's have a look at what we've got inside. And there we have it, our blue GA-2100 manga edition. This thing is absolutely stunning. Really is quite sublime. I can tell immediately that this is the real deal. One of the big giveaways is, see the letter in here for the days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. See how each letter and the black border is distinct. On the copies, the fakes, the whatever they call them, the black blends from one letter to the next. And there's lots of little giveaways, and maybe we can do a separate video. I might even order one from AliExpress so we can do a proper side-by-side comparison of the real deal and the fake. And I think you'll quickly see that there are lots of telltale signs that you can spot. Once you've got the watch in your hands, it's always worth doing a quick diagnostic test. So it's called, the 3-button press. So if you hold down mode, adjust and start, it takes us into the diagnostic menu. Hold down adjust first and then press mode and start at the same time. If you try and press all 3 at the same time, you will inevitably enter the next mode along. So you've got to be in timekeeping mode for this to work as well, by the way. So hold down adjust, quickly press start and mode. That's it, it's taken us into the diagnostic menu, and then we can switch between the various different options in there. That just tells us that this is definitely a legitimate watch. And then to come back out, press one of the buttons and we're back out. It's obviously going to be too late by the time you purchase the watch, but it's still worth doing the test. We'll do another video on how to spot the fakes. I'll order, maybe later today, one of the homage, let's call them, from AliExpress, and we'll do a comparison side by side. Let's take a bit of a closer look at this backplate. So we've still got our tag on. The backplate features the same, I think it's the same text. Yeah, the same text on the backplate. Again, keen to know for sure what this means. The watch features all the usual GA-2100 features. There's nothing additional. It is literally just a styling change. I do wish that they did a solar version of this. In my mind, these days, pretty much 99% of the watches that I buy are tough solar. Sadly, this doesn't come in tough solar, so we had to make do with a standard edition, but absolutely stunning looking watch. I'm not sure what to do with this, whether to put it in the box, store it away, keep it safe and sell it for £1 million in 50 years time, or whether to just enjoy the watch. It really is such a stunning blue, and these details, it looks like it's just come straight out of a comic book. So maybe I'm going to wear this as a summer watch. Might keep it stored away safe in a box. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. So that's it. This is our GA-2100 manga edition, and today's watch of the day is the GW-5610U, and it is wearing the titanium mod kit from AliExpress. Did a video on this a couple of days ago if you want to check it out in the channel. Yeah, see you guys next time.